Cassie, what you doing? Keegan, what are you doing? So our entire main level of the house is now a railroad.
Mommy, we don't need houses. Mommy, we don't need houses.
No.
Earthquake.
Earth.
Mommy, there's been an earthquake.
Uh-oh. Can you fix the bridge?
Can't. Can't.
You just have to, remember, you just need to move the blocks that are supporting it.
Maybe you need to put some more blocks underneath it to help support it.
Okay. Go get some more.
There's some more blocks. Go see if you can put more blocks under it. 3 more? That seems like a good plan. Come on, run your train. Where's your train go?
Wait.
Oh, start your train. You can start it here. There you go.
Stop your train. Stop that train because we're building.
Where's your train? Where's the
Keegan, I
train?
think you need to support the far end of it.
What?
I think you gotta support this piece right here. Put it under there, and then I think it'll stay nice. There you go. Okay.
This piece. I don't need the big piece.
There you go.
Ow! Yes. It's gonna be super cool.
Uh-oh, trains are coming down the road. We need the bridge built quick.
Hey.
Hey.
I love Brewster, but he took it.
There you go.
No,
Yeah,
I
that's
don't.
fine.
No.
That's from the Jeff Alphabet train.
For just a moment, everyone was playing well together. Wasn't it nice? I even caught it on video.
Okay, Keegan, we'll get you Brewster, but right now, can you play with Thomas? And then Cassidy will be interested in Thomas, and then you can get Brewster back. But you have to play with Thomas first.
No, I.
Oh, whoa. Come here, let me help explain this to you. Cassidy wants to play with whatever you're playing with. So if you play with Thomas, she'll want to play with Thomas.